two candidates participate, 20% votes declare invalid, and the winner gets 70% of valid votes, and he wins by 9,600 votes. Find the number of voting list and valid votes. Here there is a typing error. Okay, this one is 30,000 and 4,000. So write this as 30,000 and 24,000. Okay, there is a typing error. Here see, okay. So in elections, when the counting begins, what happens is there is a voting list. Okay, in the voting list means the entire list, the entire eligible list. Okay, that is prepared by Election Commission of India. In voting list there will be entire list, and out of voting list, okay, if somebody votes, okay, if somebody votes, some votes are declared valid and some votes are declared invalid. Okay, some votes are declared valid and some votes are declared invalid because some person make mistakes during the process of voting. During the process of voting, some people make mistakes. So here what he has given 20%. So just assume the voting list as 100 units. 100 units. Out of this, what is a valid? 20% is declared invalid. So this is the 20%. 20 units are declared out of 100. 20 are declared invalid. So what is the valid votes? 80, right? These are the valid votes. So the valid votes are counting votes. Valid votes are counting votes. So whatever the votes are valid, then the people count it. So here there is a winner and there is a loser. Okay, okay. Here winner gets 70% of valid votes. 70% of valid votes. Okay, when the winner gets 70% of valid votes, the loser gets 30%. Right? When the winner gets 70% of valid votes, okay, then the remaining votes are gone to what? That particular person. So 30% people have voted for the loser. So the 30% of valid votes have gone to the loser. So he has, and he wins by 9,600 votes. So he wins. The difference is this 40%. The difference. Okay, 70% minus 30%. This 40% is nothing but the difference is 9,600 votes. Okay, so the 1% is how much? $240. So here 100% means 24,000. So 24,000 are nothing but 100% of valid votes. That is 80 units. That is 80 units is 100% of valid votes is 24,000. So here I have said in the B option. So this is the answer. So valid votes are, is the typing error is there. So the valid votes are 24,000. Fine. Valid votes are 24,000. Here now they are asking what? voting list. So when 80 units is 24,000, when 80 units is 24,000, what is 1 unit? 300. 300. So voting list is 100 units. So 100 units is 30,000. So this is valid votes is 24,000, and here voting list is how much? 30,000. So this is answer. Here in this question, the basic concept is when the persons or people go to vote, okay, so the voting list is prepared by Election Commission of India, that is voting list. In voting list, what happens? Some people may choose to vote, some people may not choose to vote, okay. So after voting, what happens is there will be valid votes and invalid votes. The valid votes are properly voted by the people, and invalid votes are the votes where the people have done mistake during voting process, okay. So they have made a mistake, so that's why they have declared invalid. So while counting process, we will only count this valid votes. So in the valid votes, some votes will be going to winner and some votes will be going to loser. So 70% of the valid votes has gone to winner, and the loser has been awarded with 30% of the valid votes. So when the winner is winning by 9,600 vote, this excess, so that is the difference. So the difference amount, so the difference is 70% minus 30%. The 40% of the valid votes is nothing but 9,600. So from this we are calculating the voting list and valid votes. Okay. Here in an